Morning all, it's Rebecca here from Enlightened with Essential Oils, and I'm on the run this morning and I've got my package in the post, so I really wanted to open that because I actually have something to give to someone where I'm actually heading to right now. Well, actually, I'm not gifting it to her, I'm delivering it to her because she actually paid for it. So I popped in my monthly order this month, an oil that I was able to give a friend just a drop in the hand to help her with some discomfort she was feeling, and then she realized, oh my goodness, that was actually so amazing, so she's decided to order it for herself, so she had her own bottle that she could use whenever she was feeling discomfort. So let me just do a quick open up here because there's a lot in here. This month's order is huge. This is my monthly order for March. I got it done early this month because I also had some other oils I needed to get for a family member. So I've just done a big order pretty much just for other people more than myself. There's probably some things in here for me. I need to double check anyway. So first and foremost, the thing I want to show you is this. This is the oil that my friend wanted to order, Digest. Digest for me is a good one that I use for doing tummy massages. So if you're feeling any discomfort in the tummy, then it's a really nice supportive oil to help feel some kind of relaxation in that tummy area. So Digest. Okay, and you can probably hear my children in the background playing the guitar, which is a really beautiful thing to hear because I love it when they play the guitar and they sing too, which is very beautiful. So I'm just on the run, so I'm just trying to do this as quickly as I can. Normally it tells me which I get as promos, but it hasn't really told me which ones I've got as promos. So I'm going to have to try and remember. Excuse me, I've actually still got a remnant of this thing that I was feeling. So I'm getting a lot better, like I feel so much better, but I'm still lingering a little. So I ordered 2 times. This is for a family member. I ordered, well, you've already seen the Digest, 2 sacred frankincense. And I'll tell you a bit of a story in a second, just as quickly as I possibly can. I ordered a clove and a cinnamon bark, and I need to order another one of those in my next order. And then I've got 2 more oils there, but in my hand. I always say I love the recycled packaging, the bio packaging. Oh, that's a freebie. That's a freebie, that's a freebie. This is probably a freebie too. Let me just double check. I think I've got all the rest of these are freebies now, I'm guessing. So that was actually quite a high, yeah, this is a freebie too. Okay, so the rest of the things in here are all freebies because that was actually quite a decent size order with 2 sacred frankincenses, which are very high-end oils, 2 times, a clove, a cinnamon bark, and a Digest was my actual order. So that came to around about, I can't remember the dollar value. It must be around $600 or something like that. But the PV value, the product value or the personal volume, is it came to over 300 PV. And if you're on a Essential Rewards program, which I am, and I order every month, you are eligible for free promotions, and they usually do promotions for, I think it's around 150 or 180 PV or 190 PV even, or both. 150 and then 190 maybe. I need to remember. Sometimes they do it and sometimes they don't, but I think their starting point is 190 PV and then 250 PV and then anything over 300 PV or 320. I need to check my promos, guys. So anyways, I went over the biggest promo, which meant I got all these extra freebies, and the extra freebies were all these amazing Thieves products. So the Thieves household cleaner, which is awesome. That is so amazing. The Thieves hand soap pump, which I've still got lots of these sitting around, so I think I'm just going to pass on some of these freebies to the people who ordered. the Thieves Whitening Toothpaste, another cool freebie. The Thieves Essential Oil was another freebie. The Thieves, whoopsie, oh, I just dropped that on the floor, I just have to quickly pick that up. So the Essential Rewards, this is actually a really great product that they have, which comes in a really nice box and bubble wrapped, of course. That's because it's glass, which is amazing. It tells you on the back here how to use household cleaner, which is multi-purpose. So you can use it for heavy cleaning using 15:1. You can use it for general cleaning 30:1, or you can use it for light cleaning, which is 50:1. So it tells you how to use it, and this is a great spray for that. So they go hand in hand, so that was also free. The final thing that was free, which is really amazing, is this Essential Oil Blue Relief. Blue Relief is one of my all-time faves for anything that is feeling like a strain. Like if you've somehow managed to, you know, do something silly like knock yourself or kind of roll your ankle or, I mean, you need to check on those kind of things anyways. But like, you know, if you know you haven't done anything but you've actually hurt yourself and you feel like you're like just in that strain of that tension that's been like, you know, it's such a relaxing oil for those kind of things, like little silly incidents that you might have. Also, you know, I love to use it for meridians and things like that. So like if you bang your hand on the car door, something like that, you know, Blue Relief is amazing. It's just such a all-rounder oil for all of those tensions, stresses, and just those things that really are little incidents that cause no major harm, but they're enough harm to feel like they're like going to cause you some discomfort, to be able to help you quickly get on top of it and you know, help your body do what it needs to do to really feel like it will dissipate easier with ease and grace. So yes, that's my order this month. I did that really quickly because I have to run. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to know any information, drop the information into the comments. Also, if you're wanting to make an order for yourself, you can do that in the links below. If you want to find out more about this Young Living business, once again, there's information in the description below. So check that out, and if you're quite savvy, I'm sure you can get on with it. But if you're not savvy and you would like the extra support, I'm here for you. So yes, I just realized I thought I had a piece of hair sticking out, but it actually wasn't. It was an oil. All my oil's up there on the shelf. So yeah, so I hope you have the most beautiful and amazing day today, and yeah, take care, rest well, yeah, breathe into your heart. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.